रंग चढ़े खुद का ही खुद पे बच्चों को तू ऐसे बढ़ा, बचपन मना रे यारा बचपन मना। रोशन हो ये नन्हे दिए इन्हें तू रोज सजा, बचपन मना रे यारा बचपन मना। जादू है ये जीने दे जरा, बचपन मना रे यारा बचपन मना। गिरने दे बढ़ने दे उनको पास आए तो गले भी लगा।
Then when I opened the first page, I said, okay, there's a blank page. Okay, maybe it's for us to draw something or take down notes. And then the second page was blank, and then the third, and then the fourth. And then it just struck me that, of course, because play should not have any rules or any structure to it. And then I got to the middle page, which then drove me to the last page. And yeah, so very interesting.
So I just loved it. It felt really good because like I don't like to overcomplicate things, and it's sometimes hard to sort of get people to agree with that because everyone's scheduling kids days like to the T, and every day there's a class, and it would be nice that I read a book which sort of told me to do nothing, and that's enough.
When I gone through the book, I was surprised because there was nothing written in it, and the whole thing was about letting your child play. I agree with this because if you let your child play, they learn a lot because they will socialize with their peers, because right now there are so many screens, so it's better when they go down, they talk to people, they talk to elderly. I think it's a good way of giving them free hand of learning rather than me telling or my wife telling or grandparents telling them what to do.
Normal books is like so many things they are putting in the books, and that small word sometimes it's get irritate. But ये कुछ अलग था because they don't written anything. It's completely blank. So this is I feel like this book is like for me. I am upper middle class family girl. So my thought is like कि नहीं मेरी बच्ची को ये आना ही चाहिए. She is 3.5 years old, so she know ABCD. She should be behave like a manner girl. But नहीं, this book taught me नहीं ऐसा नहीं है. Apart from study, just ask her to do whatever you want. You can do it. So this book actually taught me so many things today.
And from the cover itself, it's like, okay, there's a lot to dive into, but okay, it's colorful, it's something I vibe with, so maybe. And then I opened it and I was like, okay, this is my kind of book. So I completely vibe with this. And so that's it. You paved the way. You basically rewrite the pages of this book. So it's exactly how the method is in their hands. You just stand up and watch, let it happen.
I think that's what I felt also. I felt like first that okay, then it was blank, and then I was like, oh, maybe we have to write the book. And of course, when I came here, and I think no instruction needed was that's it. You got me
this
there.
Was
like I will buy
very
this
powerful line. Right
yeah.
Yeah.
I mean, that's because I think that's our parenting style. I mean, I feel like kids get instruction morning, day and night. Like we decide for a long time what they're going to wear, what they're going to eat, which class they're going to go to, which school, everything is an instruction. Everything is decided for them, right? So we truly believe like when it comes to play, it's okay. Play should not have any rules, because I feel like that's one subject that's purely theirs and we can just let them do it their way.